in case you guys missed a community post, Pfizer did end up declaring a dividend of 2.6% increase. So Pfizer declares 40 cents per share quarterly, which is a 2.6% increase from the prior dividend of 39 cents that they were paying. The ex-dividend date is January 27th, and then they will be paying out March 4th. So congrats to all the Pfizer shareholders. Obviously, this was not a very large dividend raise, but we are going to get what we can. And the next dividend raise that we did get this week was Union Pacific, which gave us an increase of almost 10%, guys. Union Pacific declared $1.18 per share quarterly, which is a dividend increase of 10.3% increase from the prior dividend of $1.07 that they were paying. This is actually the second raise that Union Pacific has increased the dividend this year, which comes about a little bit over 20% for the year, which is pretty awesome. So congrats to all the Union Pacific shareholders. What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here bringing you episode 113 of the portfolio update. So you guys already know it's Sunday. It's time to see how the portfolio performed this week. So far right now we are at $213,554.26, which is actually pretty high up for a portfolio. I believe it's probably almost to the all-time highs for this portfolio, so it's pretty awesome. As you'll see, our cash balance right now is $50. This will get reinvested on Monday morning, and we will be buying more shares that will be paying out more dividends, which will in turn grow this quarterly dividends over time. As you guys will see, we are working on actually Q4 of the last month, which is December, which is typically our best month, so we should shoot up way up here. But the long term is to see this grow as we've seen these quarterly dividends continue to grow and grow. So we are going to be seeing this growing. I'm really excited to see a couple years from now how much we are pouring every single quarter. If we look at our projections, last week we did end up hitting a huge milestone, which we actually made $3,006.30 is our projected annual payout for dividends, which is actually going to come out to about $250.53 per month on average, which is pretty awesome, guys. We don't have to do anything for this, and this is all passive income as well. We do get qualified dividends, so hopefully we can eventually live off of these, but right now the whole goal is to try to grow these Snowball much larger and larger. You'll see our annual projections. I guess what we've actually made so far is 2019 we made about $779. Now for 2021 we've already surpassed actually our 2020's annual dividends of $2,304. We're up at $2,500. That doesn't even include the dividends we will be making for December, which is very exciting because we the dividends are pouring in, which I will show you guys in a little bit. But if we look at the portfolio, guys, we'll see at the value over time. Overall, you'll see that portfolio is going upwards. But if we look at the 1 quarter, you'll see that September we were down around 185-ish or so, but we have been going upwards and we've been fluctuating, right? We've been going up, all-time highs, low, and then back up to all-time highs, low, and then now we're going back upwards. We could go down or we could go up, but what doesn't change, guys, is that these dividends are going to continue to pour in, and every single Sunday I come back and show you guys these updates. We're going to see this projection continue to increase no matter what the volatility of the portfolio is. So if you guys are interested in following this journey, be sure that you subscribe with that bell notification so you're notified when I upload these new videos. I typically upload them on Sunday, sometime between between 1 to 5-ish or so, depending on how long it takes the video to render. But yeah, as well, while you're down there, be sure to drop a big thumbs up on the video. That's all I ask in return. It helps out the channel a lot. But overall, guys, we are doing very well with the portfolio long term. As you see here in the value over time, it has been going upwards. This 2020 market correction just looks like a little dip, and we did buy heavy on there. Wish we had bought more, but in the long term, time in the market beats trying to time the market, and it has paid off very well. as well. Our dividends have continued to grow. But I will be going over the activities, and then I will be showing you guys a little bit update on the O&L spinoff from Realty Income. I actually reached out to M1 for this information, and so one of the things that I'm going to show you guys here is the activities, because we have been seeing a lot of dividends this week, and it is awesome. So if I actually start off for us, guys, is on December 6th of 2021. I will show you guys all the trades I did. So if we look at the very bottom, guys, which I guess I need, yeah, this was all the trades. On the 6th, guys, we got a dividend from Pfizer of $30.97, and then Southern Companies paid us $22.50. We had to do absolutely nothing for that, and we made over $50 there. On the 6th as well, we reinvested one of our dividends, and that was Honeywell. So we just dripped it, bought some more shares, and next time Honeywell pays out, we're going to be making much more. And then on the 7th, we got two dividends: Johnson & Johnson of $9.74, and then Visa $9.41. So you'll see Visa and Johnson & Johnson, we're getting close to the $10 mark, which is kind of like my goal for all my positions in my portfolio, is to try to get them over $10. So that's why I'm always contributing an additional $20 every time a company pays me out, just to be a little bit more aggressive on my investing. But overall, every time, or I guess every single week, I contribute $100 just to continue to dollar cost average, no matter what the portfolio is doing. And then an additional $20 per company that pays me out that week. So on the 7th, we did two buys, which is $53.47, which was the dividends from these two companies, which they just got reinvested back into each other. And so next quarter, they will pay us a lot more, guys. And then on the 8th, we reinvested the dividends from Johnson & Johnson and Visa, and we just dripped it back again. And again, they will get I guess they will pay us next time, next quarter, which will be awesome. And then on the 9th, guys, we got a dividend from Microsoft, which is $48.73. I am so happy about this one. Hopefully we can get it to the $50 range next quarter. We will see. Definitely they did do a dividend raise, so that did help a lot. And on the 9th, guys, we deposited $220. And so right that same day, we did 7 buys, and we bought $20 of Microsoft since they paid us a dividend. We bought $20 of 3M, and that is because they will be paying us a dividend actually today, which is weird. It's on a Sunday, but on M1 it will show up maybe tomorrow or Tuesday, and then we will reinvest that dividend. But Southern Companies paid us a dividend, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and then Visa. So I contributed this week. My portfolio did make me broke, but it's really well spent money, because remember, these $20 I'm contributing, these $20 will work for me forever, because from now on, this money is going to work very hard. Even though I worked very hard to earn these $20, my portfolio is going to be working every night while I'm asleep, which is pretty awesome there. And then we deposited the $100 to continue to dollar cost average, which we bought some more Lockheed Martin, guys. We have 0.29 shares at about $339 or so. So I will continue to build my position in Lockheed Martin. And then on the 10th, guys, you guys were awesome. Somebody signed up with my referral link, which I got $50, and whoever used my referral link, they also got $50. So thanks so much, guys, for whoever signed up. Let me know in the comment section if you are watching this. Let me know if you're the one that signed up. But again, thank you so much. And if anybody is watching this and was interested in signing up for M1, now's your chance. M1 is running a promotion. I think it's till the end of December. You get $50. All you have to do is open an account, deposit $100, and you will get $50, which is a 50% return on your money right away. And then as well, since you use my referral link, I will get $50. So it's a win-win situation, guys. And M1 is a great platform for long-term investors. As you see, my portfolio has been growing but I continue to dollar cost average every single week, and it has been paying off. But yeah, if you guys are interested in using M1, maybe this month might be your chance to sign up, take advantage of that bonus. And you know, the link to it is in the video description, so check it out, guys. And then we ended up wrapping up the week with one buy on the 10th, which was $48.73, and this was just Microsoft. We just reinvested it back into itself, so next quarter we will get paid much more, hopefully more than $50, so that'll be exciting to see how that plays out. But overall, just to see how much we made for this week, I'll go ahead and just do only dividends, and let's see how much we made in this week. Passive income, guys. So I have this green button. I have a tutorial for it. Again, guys, if you are interested, it's completely free. All I ask is that you're subscribed with that bell notification and you drop a big thumbs up on the videos, because it does help out the channel. But what this does is just adds up all the dividends in the activity. So we're gonna hit calculate, and so for this week, guys, we made $121.35. How awesome is that? It doesn't get any better than that, guys. For passive income, we had to do absolutely nothing for this. I can't wait a couple years from now when we are pouring in more money than this, so that is pretty awesome. So the dividends for this month of December are starting to pour in, and they are looking very, very juicy, guys. The other thing I want to go ahead and show you while we're here, let's go ahead and just see how much we've made so far for the total of you know, just December in general. So let's calculate. So far we've made $134.25. This is going to look very, very good when we jump over here, populate the quarterly dividends, and we will see how much we expect to jump over. I'm hoping that it'll definitely be over 700. We will see. We will check that monthly dividend challenge and see who guessed it correctly. So definitely be sure to drop your guesses if you haven't done so already. It's in the video description. Check out that video and drop your guesses. But you know, we will see if we break out the 700. I think we will, but you know, we will find out in maybe 2 to 3 weeks from now. But overall, guys, I want to give you guys an update on the O&L spinoff from Realty Income. So if we look at the real estate pie here for us, you will see now that O&L shares are actually showing up now, $115. If we look over here, you'll see that we do have the 6 shares now, and it's trading about $18.96. And so what I had to do for this to show up, obviously we don't have our average share price and stuff, but oh well, we do have them in our sub pie now. But what I had to do was I actually ended up emailing M1. You know, I contacted them, letting them know that the O&L spinoff shares were showing up in my holdings. They were just not showing up in my sub pie, and if they could move them for me, and they ended up doing that. It was very quick. Took about maybe an hour or two before they reached out back to me, and you know, pretty awesome service so far. I haven't complained with contacts on that portion, but overall, you know, we are up about 82%, and we are generating a little bit over $3,000 in dividends, which to me is pretty awesome. I think we are going to try to grow this. You know, hopefully, you know, this year we'll see what milestone we set. Maybe 3,500, maybe 4,000, depending on how the year's going to go. But remember, now we have, from now going forward, we will have $3,000 compounding into the portfolio for the next year. So that'll definitely help out a lot. And you know, all the dividend raises that I will show you guys here, they do compound over time, guys. And you know, we also got 2 more dividend raises this week, so that was pretty awesome. And you know, it helps out a huge ton. But overall, while we're here in the dividend payout, guys, we will go ahead and kick off these scripts. We don't have the Union Pacific or the Pfizer dividend, so we will see if they do pop up. If we go over here to portfolio tools, get latest dividends. And again, if you guys are interested in these type of scripts, I have tutorials for all of these. They're completely free. all I ask in return is that you drop a big thumbs up on the video and that you're subscribed with the bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos or new updates on the scripts. I am actually working on a new version of the scripts, so hopefully I release that out very soon. But it actually looks like we didn't get the raise to pop up so far, and so unfortunately probably next week is when they will show up. That is probably when it'll update and seeking alpha, and then it should pop up. But overall, we do have a couple positions that will be paying out. Looks like Microsoft did declare the dividend for next year, so they will be paying out on the 3rd, well, I guess March 10th. Ex-dividend date is the 2nd, I guess February 16th. And so they will be paying out 62 cents, so that'll be pretty awesome. And let's go ahead and actually see what we have next week. Looking forward to. So we have 3M, Skyworks, United Health Group, McDonald's, Realty Income, Duke, Home Depot, Waste Management for this coming week. So it'll be a very busy week for dividends, and remember, they will be compounding over time, so it'll be very exciting. Again, let's go ahead and see over here on the settings, and we'll go ahead and delete this, and I will go ahead and jump over to personal capital. We'll grab our latest version of our portfolio holdings, and then we will see how much the portfolio projection annual dividend grew this week. Alright guys, so we're here on personal capital on my M1 account. We're going to click this green button, and all it does is it copies the content of the portfolio of M1 into our clipboard. Then we can jump back over, right click, paste special values only, and then we are good to go. If we go over here to holdings, you go over here to portfolio tools, and then when you click this, all it does is it'll re-update that new content that we pasted in the settings to use those new settings. So click that and it'll get wiped and it'll update, and we can jump over here to the dashboard and see how much this is growing by. So it'll be exciting to see where we are at now. So for the year, guys, we went up to $3,015.12 compared to $3,006, or I guess $3,006.30. For the month, we're at $251.26, which is pretty awesome. For the week, $57.98, day $8.26. Hourly, we're still making about 34 cents an hour, and then hourly work wage is $1.45. So that is pretty awesome. We're gonna come back next Sunday and see how much we grew this even more. So be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification again, and drop a big thumbs up if you already haven't done so. But actually, this is all I have for you guys in this update. If you stuck all the way to the very end, be sure to drop a big hashtag dividends, because all these dividends are continuing to pour in, and as you saw, that snowball is just continuing to grow and grow over time. But yeah guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye guys.